In 1978, a congressman boarded a plane to investigate reports of abuse at a remote jungle commune. He had no idea he was flying into one of history's darkest hours. Jim Jones started as a civil rights activist, but power corrupted him. He moved his followers to the jungles of Guyana, promising paradise. Instead, he created hell. Jones controlled everything: forced labor, sexual abuse. He even made followers drink fake poison as loyalty tests, watching them believe they were dying for him. When Congressman Leo Ryan arrived to investigate, Jones knew his empire was crumbling. On November 18th, Ryan and 4 others were gunned down at the airstrip. Back at the compound, Jones gathered his followers for one final meeting. He called it revolutionary suicide. Parents were forced to give poison-laced drink to their children first. Armed guards blocked the exits. In less than an hour, 918 people were dead. 304 were children. The audio recordings from that day still exist. You can hear Jones convincing parents to murder their own kids. Some evils are too real to forget,